Needle makes deploying your Three.js projects to the web super easy. And in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how it's done. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your Needle project to your own FTP server. If you're new to Needle Engine, make sure to watch our Getting Started guide first, so you get accustomed to our workflows and samples. First, we're going to add the Deploy to FTP component to our export info. Next, we're going to create an FTP server asset, which contains the access information to your FTP server, like the server name, username, and your password. You get this information when you create a new FTP account at your hosting provider. Next, assign your FTP Server Info asset to your Deploy to FTP component. In the Path field, we can enter a path on our FTP server if we want to upload our project to a subfolder. Click the Build and Deploy button to build your project and upload it to your FTP account. Let's check whether it worked by opening the website we deployed to and adding the path we chose earlier. And there it is! Just like that, your Unity project is deployed to your FTP server, ready for the world to see. To learn more about Needle Engine, visit our website under needle.tools.